Hi everyone, good day, and my name is RGP Tumanan from BES82, and itatakal ko po ngayon is what is global economy. The global economy refers to the interconnected system from economic activities and markets across different countries. Include it include the exchange of goods, services, capital, and labor on the international scales. Factors such as trade agreement, financial market, multinational corporation, and government policies and all influence the global economy. Next is what is market integration? Market integration refers to the process by which separate markets for goods, services, or financial assets become more interconnected and functional as a single market. This is happen what trade barrier are reduced, technological improves, communication and logics, and regulation align across regional or countries. And next, actors that facilitate globalization. Globalization is facilitated by various actors, including multinational corporation, international financial institution, national government, regional economic organization, financial market, NGOs, technological and media companies, and labor unions. This actor promote global supply chain, technological transfers, and trade facilities, while also re- uh, regulating currently exchange rate and foreign investments. They also form regional economic blocs such as a European Union and USMCA and facilitate trade between North America and Asian national financial market and institutional facilitate global investment, while in NGOs and advocacy group influence trade labor's right and environmental regulation. Technology, technology and media companies like Google or Amazon enable global trade, while labor union advocacy for fair wage and better working condition.